Welcome to our holiday edition of Cooking with Jamie. Today we're making a very simple vanilla extract. First thing you want to do is grab 2 or more vanilla beans. An example, Madagascar or any other whole vanilla bean of your liking. Place on your cutting board and carefully take your knife and cut long ways down the bean to expose the inside. Do that for each bean you are using. Next, you put the beans inside your glass bottle or jar. I'm using an 8-ounce glass bottle, but you can use any size glass jar or bottle, just as long as it has a tight seal. If your vanilla beans don't fit in the jar or bottle that you're using, you can cut them in half and put them in rubbing alcohol. I use Pinnacle French vodka. And once you have your alcohol of choice, make sure while filling your bottle you cover the beans so the liquid soaks up in the beans. Seal up the jar and give it a good shake. You should let your extract sit for at least a month, and if you see the little vanilla beans floating around, that's okay. You don't need to strain it or anything. That's the flavor right there. You can always top it off after each use, and you can always add more beans if you'd like. It's pretty easy and a lot more flavorful than the store-bought pure vanilla extracts. Till next time, Jamie's Kitchen is closed.